How to update Facebook Messenger on Android. If you are trying to get the latest feature on Facebook Messenger, you're gonna have to update the application to get those kind of features. Now let's see how you can do that. First thing you do is head over to your Messenger and figure out which kind of feature is not available for you or your account. So the first thing you do is check your App Store or Google Play Store, and then from here, tap on the search bar at the bottom right and then click on the search address bar at the top and simply search for Messenger. Now, once you've searched for it, just tap on Facebook Messenger. And then from here, you could just go ahead and click on the open button. But if your app is not up to date, then the open button is not shown. Instead of that, you will have the update button. So just tap on the update button and then you should be able to update the app to its latest version. And if you want to check out what's new on the app, you could scroll down and then you could see the latest feature here as well. Tap on about this app and it will show you what's new here as well. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.